Akra way, si boy boy bi no, ne ma amene na me bon video yi. Boy we, this boy. Bawumia edi no, boy we no, ne ma amene airbag no. Ayila la. Ana airbag enwo wristwatch ampa. Airbag enwo wristwatch. Impenifo bu baby, sa ebe na yampa. Airbag enwo wristwatch ampa. Afi na mate ase. Mami ejimi ni be jimi. Now how is this woman going to tell this boy say, "Ye nkasa sa ncheke de Agyapong. Na obetumi awo me ne wo. Obetumi ahwe kopi bisi ebewu." See no from March na ye no, umami di 39 years. And I was wedi 29 years. It now means that umami wo no wedi 10. Hey, momudi nkwase se boga no. All these things. Share the eba no. And remember, I'm doing this to let you understand that they are coming back with these things. You will start hearing different NGOs, different CSOs. Almost starting register omo. The Asankumens, the Bright Simons, the Kofi Bentals, the Zatos, they are all going to go behind. They are going to start registering the CSOs. And then what they are going to do is they are going to create demonstrations, fake ones. Bawumia is going to sponsor all of them. Every day, I will let you know. I'll let you know the people behind it. I'll let you know the finances. Fake demonstrations and sponsored demonstrations. Don't forget. This is what they did in 2012, 2013, 14, 15. They knew what they were doing. They were all waiting to take the booty away. We gave them the opportunity near Jimmy. And they are going to come back again. These are all actors. Now they have new ones. They have raised like chicken. They have raised new dogs. They are in the system. You can see them. They have raised different stinking animals. They are all going to start different demonstrations. So don't fall for these things again, because they are going to use you to make money. And then they could afford Samira Bawumia 2024 elections, 2 days to elections. No Buddha to go, because you baby win elections. Na obunko for dying or no fulani no or no free child na ne maame a free child no na obudan gu Ghana adan ye Jimmy Samira Bawumia. And they are going to start creating this kind of devilish simple ingredients. They are going to come in different colors, all in the name say ya pese akwa we be the president akwa we.
And which are Sophia Pioneer, 6 constituencies of Ghana. I can't move now. I've gone through and the summer side of the debut. And which are Sophia Pioneer, 6 constituencies of Ghana. I can't move now. I've gone through and the summer side of the debut. And which are Sophia Pioneer, 6 constituencies of Ghana. I can't move now. I've gone through and the summer side of the debut. And which are
one wine or what did you pay what do? Atinga. Way. Engineer the whole Ghana. You be demonstrate a kaka cancel. Atinga tinipem. Yanyan or tinipem that is echo. Abozege. Muna fiki. Or tinipem da or no wine or no wine to say pito. What got to say about me and wine da? Or no wine to say pito. Wine is separate kakrano. Who got to say about me and wine or no wine say pito. Ekutano no bo. She. Wait till I guess I'm quite a no. Omo create paid demonstrations, sponsored demonstrations. They are going to create all because you say Atinga be the president. Akwawi.
6 constituencies of Ghana. I can't move now. I've gone through and the summer side of the debut. And which are Sophia Pioneer, 6 constituencies of Ghana. I can't move now. I've gone through and the summer side of the debut.
Oh, that say, and you'll be a teenager go to be done with money, grow that the show that so. And you'll be a teenager or then Nico to your pegna, and go be money. Nan can a short at a yum, what they see. A good for the buyer, or to nipem, or to meet that deep, or to meet that 14,000 miles. Aqua West was static. And you're about the teenager Nico to your chocolate, oh, Nikomu, or Budikomu quenchre. Oh, don't go Bukomu quenim. Asimesi atinga we buni komu kweche anko be muni afia konwa soma ne show abeta wiem hwade bi oye ho hwade bi
6 constituencies of Ghana. I can't move now. I've gone through and the summer side of the debut. ɛno kyerɛ Sofia kwan ani 6 constituencies ɛwɔ Ghana aka num na wa control ɛsɛ sɛ mo saa de da
wait no mo kitwa ntwantro no na sometimes you ask yourself say MPP for I know busa mo say MPP for nankasa no I know mo ye nipa na say omo ye nkusie hwe sa Trobu say Trobu your friend say Trobu MP no Mr. P what's her name ope MP we jimi pa parliamentary sa Gyan no ope MP we jimi pa obeka so Kevin Taylor oba na medina te no oba we jimi wonjimi ope MP we jimi oye belle pa che say parliament na ye fu aye sa Trobu MP no Trobu sa MP no ope obi oye mole pa parliament. And sometimes you ask yourself say into mama di Bawumia chi no Bawumia message ne dian na asem ne ene di asem or message bi a as a member of parliament edi ne chi ana ubusa won say okay yaka say we a member of parliament wakọ parliament onim de wakenkan otenyom ase oni de yaka say eye obi o messenger onim ade kudi enti opeso di nipa power your friend eye Gloria Owusu we jimie ope MP wo ye belle pa je say on say obi o ha by mistake no ko parliament but obi o ha naturally we jimi wo fi ansa na wo parliament and then ema me say as somebody like me and you watching me na nipa say na to parliament na all taking decisions amount tie oko radio so and ebusan say wo ye MP wo di Bawumia chi Bawumia the message ni saying.
Thank you again for the opportunity, and I'll make this very quick. So I was just checking fact check Ghana to be sure I was asking the right question.
Mr. I got a wrong video. Mr. I got a wrong video. All right, I have it. Me say, my member adie bin chiro. Okotena radio so. Ena, ye busa ne say, you are a moron. Bawumia na odi ne chi na wo say Ghana fo nkotoma Bawumia wo. Nipa bi akoto aba ma wa obetena parliament no. Chire mu chire adentina ba ni message ne dia muntie o oye MP o muntie na minim se sana message message tie
e ba sonko a ebebo ama wetimi edi nkonim in 2028 because one every an okoto ni nyina no na dodo asem mo kanya ne se Dr. Bawumia oni message nti edo akwema me bisa honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa about ni enti a moto abayi Dr. Bawumia because na bebre na se oni message. And I say, many of the say Dr. Bawumia message back here, 1 constituency 10 appointments. Yeah. Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa say, and no need in so tia, when the 2 abano, a man no. Meaning say before 4 where found our go for so only message. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will message. You see, Vice President Professor Nanaji and the Motenenka. Vice President Akunyane to say, Oya Bobo Yan Somawa Wonyede, Uncle. Esemo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ewo message.
Wana muna ye kofa govu iba parliament. Mimbo video ni wie mesabo video no fo. Na inti ena we mu no. Ede message ena yo mo ka kire mo constituents me to aba ma omo. Ede message pa be na no mo sori a akwa egwade Nyankopon Ghana ye sei sika pa o. We ultimately so oye flat with Jimmy Taba or name anything or you daft. You guess will be a daft or you taba or you flat footed. And to maintain the trouble for no a DNA catch them one. A more away no more time so metra pal. Now wait. Tie message tie. I'm fighting me.
Ebebo ama wetimi edi nkonim in 2028 because one every an okoto ni nyina no na dodo asem mo kanya ne say Dr. Bawumia oni message nti edo akwema me bisa honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa about ni enti a moto abayi Dr. Bawumia because na bebre na say oni message and o say me ne kai say Dr. Bawumia message ba ko ye 1 constituency 10 appointments. Yeah. Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa say eno ni nyina so enti a mo de to aba no e ma no. Meaning say before 4 where found our go for so only message. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will message. You see, Vice President Professor Nanaji and the Motenenka. Vice President Akunyane to say
oye bobo ya nsoma wa wonye den onko mesremo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ewo message wode ba for 2028 January election ti mesre Ghana for a party na ti see ye party nim no edidija na yedidija party fo ni nti no mo anto aba amaye no ene party ni nyina grassroots fo nyina se enye hwe omo ahu se wo de anya awa wo de an 2028 me say in the history of Ghana politics no president bia ni ho a all handing over ma obi a uncontested da wo hwe former President Jelly John Rawlings, rather than a currency, or handing over my President Kufuor. Now President Kufuor contested in 1996, 2000 or handing over the man. Usha President Kufuor handing over my Tamils. Now Tamils are contesting in 2000, 2004, 2008 no handing over the man. Usha ye rajon ma kradia e won e de ye den e baye. E won e de ne baye nyina chimpo na nadwa a handing over ma President Yerajon Dramani Mahameno. Now we're contesting another, which is 2016, 2020 to 2024, and we're handing over ma. It means say Inshallah Nyankopo ya domni etinkwema. Ye president ebe handing over. Ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be the next president of Ghana. And to be okasa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo message pa. Oh. Me say yam chain ebia ne say emi nua bema ada MP akwasi akwa o de yam chain candidate
what to me ye bubo obi so because at the end of the day Dr. Bawumia otimi cause 16 regions constituencies are who do rewrite eti messages ni
master eno de no oni polling station executives na edi nkomo nyame ya adom na obeye president e kwan ya obefa so obetachi the base e wo constituency no eno na oni edi nkomo but the message awode ba for general the nation ni nyina ade yenya abote sa fe ne yi no
Jack ye din kwasi asemo na police station executives no mo ye nwan omo nya Ghana for polling station executives na or no police station executives omo ye entafre omo nya wen kwasi afo e mo bag we mu nya tete parliament na ya money loan some fan kwaji V8 ntinam ne to kan krasini na we be jinkra ta kinkan atiase me ka bibia ultimate spelling message na o kan message no ultimate spelling. Now I don't blame this chicken, I don't blame this daft head, I don't blame this bag of rice, I blame the people who voted for this. Where now okasana oma Trobu for who so technically am I yen agent said Trobu for Jimmy. I'm telling you I said Trobu for Jimmy. And because if this is your MP, this is the person leading you to bring development home, then technically I said Sebio I said Jimmy. Why na mu hu won ho amotoma no motoma party flag and asa motoma nipa nyan said anything. How can we live in a country with such raccoons leading people in parliament? How can we live in a country with such raccoons? This lady is daft, with all due respect to women. Obawe, na adwene so ncha akokɔ. I am telling you, Obawe, oni ofui adwene, na adwene so ncha ofui. What does she really know when it comes to governance? When it comes to understanding how governance work? Obawe adwene so ncha ofui. And we sit here and we entertain these kind of things. And this woman is being given a car, she's being given salary, she's being put on boards, she's on committees. We banchi moto we na oti committee so e die nyansa mesi ontimi spell ne message na all kano. Message na all kano. Mesi ni hu fifre de bia bo nu parliament. I say okobo samambo ni hu fifre nyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyen. Opejani say chori hanki fana motuom. Bibi tan. And these people are the people we are spending millions on. And mimblemuno. Because ofui die obejina no yo ofui na to aba mo ofui a wa wotoma ofui no na wajimi. So die na trouble for hu wo we hu. Message. Grassroots. And ka candidate na wakoyi ni se flag bearer ni mese wo ka se yan twen. Ma o period mra. anayanchama undru menopause. Ediam kwasi asem na ekoso Ghana no. And these people, this political these are political insects. And we sit and we entertain this. And we get people in the constituency. No matter you say, you want to now do a do any better than one chill. Way at the Afro Kinichia at the Papa Ben Pana Benjano Parliament Ababuau. And this is what we keep talking about. We cannot keep allowing such people to lead us. We cannot keep allowing such airbags. We cannot allow these airbags. This is an airbag. And Fremankwa, or Junat is a free way. Missy way, or your airbag, political airbag. Or the pin woman to free. Also, it is a balloon. Way. Or Nimunyansa on to me, King Tiasia. Into a toy, yeah, Tiasia, NPP. Wait, no, you never try parliament. No, okay, some other NPP ni. Are we not ashamed as a people? Trobu for into ferry. Enkofobika say, Sama mi we ne ba ne kwesibo twe boy bi na no cause of we baby no. Ne ba no. Bawumia aid no. Sa okoto nwa no mampa. Sa okoto nwa no ma. Ne ba ne lawyer nkuta gine. Boy na no didi Kennedy Agyapong atam say Kennedy Agyapong ye bie ni tiso abodam no sa akwesi botwe bi no ne maame ni ampa jeans ni wom kwesi botwe ne maame ni sa boy bi no so a lawyer so Bawumia aid ne maame ni ohun ampa afi na matiase ofui enwokoto afi na matiase. Get me the boy's picture. I feel my tears here. Sa boy na no said the office baby no. Ne ma mini. Sa airbag na wo no. Enti airbag wo na ni tie ni lawyer nkuta gene afi na tears here. Enti de bia mbusa mo say na sa boy we di Jimmy kasa o kasa ba heart o so ba Bawumia aid no. Oba be na fe no. Sa na airbag na wo no. Okay. Enti sa kwesi botwe boy bi na odidi eye Kennedy Agyapong atam say Kennedy abodam Kennedy abie na adwene so no ne maame ni enti wey na ne maame ni no bedidi Kennedy Agyapong atam no. Message, get me that boy's picture. Sa boy no sa small boy bi na so no na mo kanana. Is that boy? Is this a boy? My lord, lawyer nkutajine. Ewurade Nyankopon. Eni afina ma enti wey ne maame nie. Sa boy ne maame nie. Ena ono odi Kennedy Agyapong atam se Kennedy Agyapong na adwene nya adwuma. Kennedy Agyapong abodam. Ewurade Nyankopon politics pa etan. Politics airtime power. Akra wey kwesi botwe boy bi no ne maame ne na me bon video yi. Boy we. This boy. Messias, is it this boy? Bawumia aid no boy we no ne maame ne airbag no. La yila ayila la. Sana airbag enwo balu enwo wristwatch ampa. Airbag enwo wristwatch. Impenifo bu baby sa ebe na yampa. Airbag enwo wristwatch ampa. Afi na matiase. Maame ejimi ni be ejimi. Now how is this woman going to tell this boy say, "Yeah, nkasa sa anchire Kennedy Agyapong na obetumi awo me ne wo. Obetumi ahwe kopimisi ebewu." Wait. Mrs. I'm trying to find the no, Mrs. I still can't believe it. I want to put the boy's picture on the screen because boy we a small boy we are. Boy we. And your boy in the car said we need someone with mental fortitude to be president, not one who will require injections in order to chair cabinet meetings. And your boy in the car say, "Yeah, be an adjuni adjumanya kwasiye be ose born panye and sana watna cabinet." And your boy when they did Kennedy Agyapong atem no, ne ma me na me born video no la yela ayela lao. Like mother, like idiot and pa. A Jiminy would Jiminy bampa. Omu ye Jimmy for me, where Jimmy and mammy Jimmy. Ain't you would tear the mammy no Asem, Sibiana mamma cassa. Now chase be a boy was go to some pa jeans near pet.
A bash from Kwa, a Bawumia, which made in 2020 because one, no.
Vice President Akunyanete said, Oya Bobo Yan Somawa Wonyede, Uncle. Mr. Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ewo message day back for 2028 general election. Timestre Ghana for a party net to see your party nimno. Edidi jana yedidi ja party phone inti no mo anto ba amaye no ene party ni nyina grassroots phone nyina se enye hwe omo ahu se wo de anya wa wo de an 2028 me say in the history of Ghana politics no president be any wa all kwa all handy over ma obi a uncontested da wo hwe former President Jelly John Rawlings, a radin fan a currency, or handy over my President Kufuor. Now President Kufuor contesting in 1996, 2000 or handy over the man. Usha President Kufuor handy over my Tamils. Now Tamils are contesting in 2000, 2004, 2008 no handy over the man. Usha ye rajon ma kradia e wuo na de ne ye den e baaye. E wuo na de ne baaye nyina chimpo na nadwa a handy over ma President Yerajon Dramani Mahameno. No, a contesting another, which is 2016, 2020 to 2024, and no handy over ma. It means say, Ishala Nyankopo ya domni etinkwema, a ye president ebe handy over. Ama Dr. Mamudu Bawumia be the next president of Ghana. And to be a cancer, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia or message pa. Oh. Mr. Yamchain. Yamchain, Ebiane say, Eminia Bema, Ada MP, Akwesiapa.
Jelly John Rawlings. You have a Jelly John Rawlings. Wait, glass loot. Kwasia some say, near Titan Ghana. Now, Akora way, new fin way, small boy. Dirty boy, small boy. Broken heart grown, you be pop up a biampoda. Kwasia Penya, a beer jantra, new papa chena, no beba, Jimmy way. On share jantre ni papa da wana bra bom. Kwasi ampe you to make Kennedy say Kennedy wa boda me che body trimu ye body trimu panie. Wey politics inti Samira Bawumia hye san kwasi afo wechi. Ne ma amini. Sa kro ne ma amini ana no kotia Kennedy. Hey, you are politics. Politics ye cheap pao. Politics at time pao. Ghana pa politics pa emokuya hey. O just say o chamber or change and gaba. O mamia Jimmy to who's Jimmy. O mamia general form. Wona we are brand here and go what Jimmy Jan Obama. Now what be one say Kennedy a born a panier and so on what to cabinet. Now my message is why Jelly John Rawlings, grassroots. And kwasia some sin at home. Because some kwasia say when you know who MPP and not the other who baby for bia. Hwana no se ofui to hwana no I so ofui to unmo fui hwana no atua no I so ofui to now kofo we nam Ghana all in the name say Bawumia na may sika di ya Bawumia aid inti they just want to do anything. Jelly John Rawlings kwasia sam de ma me ofui no so ofui now they talk anyhow. Where you say 1995 we say you say go him 1999. We go him near 2001. Where's dirty boy? On Ras Strippers Club, Papa man who about Papa. We who about Papa and who beba. Jimmy Foy on him life, on him what is ahead of him. He cannot even predict anything. Very ignorant fool. Nema meti ha FN to, no to FN to, no mu Jimmy omo. Why the between the baffle? They speak anyhow. All in the name say, Bawumia have a party me Jimmy Obia ye Jimmy. Hey, Messiah, how old is the woman and how old is this boy? Mami, we this saying, get me her profile. More politics. You need more politics. Get me the mother's profile. Mama, ne mama, ne for the profile I'm reading. We did how many years? Mama, how many years? Na me shakura we years. Grassroot. Na kwasi am paying small boy because of Samira. Any Bawumia to what second the Japoche body trimu panie. Wo mama ni. Airbag we na yo mama. Na me just say wo kasa sadi na me just say mama e di party tribu o. Airbag we. I NOB can MPP, they have talent for discovering fools. It just say MPP to be discovered Jimmy Fong. Na MPP I am here saying MPP America got talent in discovering fools. MPP for just say to be once na one Jimmy ni be you say na he dey MPP for ko hu akwa we na no mo kwan I am kotu omo hen e force na o baby na mo kotu ana say ye gi omo sika na mo ko tresam MPP to be kotu Jimmy ni ba otu bi busa say na sa kwa we MPP na efifi we hen na mo kotu aye me say MPP omo tumi kotu Jimmy ni ba ku bi ba na mo study ana na nsi aboso wa ne obi ayiniti say o MPP ni o say na we fifi tu ahen edua be na we fifi wo ho mo kotu ni ba because I say they have talent for discovering foolish people. Most of them hwesi bi mo discover abronye. Hwesi bi mo discover boy ya de trimu ntintin kwasi ampe ne ho fi atare bo be hye bia so chen no akwa ne ho fi bi akwa jimi ne ho fi bi. Just say how they discover those people no. I know how did they discover these things? I know mo ti omo dua so ana say I know mo go stream no mo ko sa. Ana na ntwe bi ni ana mo ko ti no mo de ko lab akosone so. Just say I just don't know how they are able to discover these foods. I just don't get it. Mrs. Oh, I am pa. Get me her profile. Now get it. And the bano ampa. Team, thank you very much. She's 39 years. Hey, and why am Masano? Oh, my 39. My first girlfriend, oh, 39 years. Oh, my 39 years. That's what me. Oh, my we are teenagers. Now no mammy, we are teenagers. Just a jantan, I'm born in them. I been who born dear. Now, so mammy, no. Jantan or born in them. I cost them who born dear. There's on your was that. Now, just a Ofunchan wire, airbag now, just a man or one man. Wait a mammy, everything, Uncle Pong. Mrs. No, the 39, I will not believe it until I get the official document to prove that she's 39 years. No, Mrs. Mrs. She's actually 39 years. Hey, ye Jimmy, it is true. Akwano ofuini mamie di 39 enye. La ayila lao. And again Abraham who born die because only Gloria Usu. She was born in 1986. Akwara. 96 down in the air. Ewurade Nyankopon. And why say about Jimmy no parliament is ano. Na when I didn't tell my move way better in parliament. She was born April 22nd, 1986. She's just 39 years. Hey, my fairy. Now, Ms. S, what's her profile? Let me. Gloria Usu, born April 1986, is a Ghanaian politician and business executive. She's a Ms. S. Is this a pro? Yeah. Trobu for na go for problem we nyina Trobu for me mblemo bia me ni be a Trobu for ko tu mire we de ne baaye ne football age no ana say the age ankasa no because abena hu bon die we me nya sure so we di 39 pe hu bon die abena hu bon die we di 39 na the boy we di say how old is that boy guys get me the boy's age na me nya na me pon enti oh boy, we know we did 10 years and because I want to know the boy's age. Because most of my did 39 on record, no. Oko parliamentary, so we did 39 years. Yeah, 1986. Cool. That's cool. Me still I still want to know the age of Lawyer Nkutajine. Mr. S, get me the age of Lawyer Nkutajine. Me person be different ma me age him. Na me hwe be a board to man ko face ko to ho. Mr. S, me be pon but me person me conclude ade we. Ma me fa ma me na yin nto nchen ha. No, I don't get it. Nah. Abena hu bondi Grace Dabi, Gloria Dabi. You see Gloria did 39 years. Okay, yati asiye. And the bane boy we na kase Canada Agyapong. You or see a body trimu pani and say automatic na cabinet. It's fine. Now, how old is this boy? We are finding X tonight before we go home. We are going to find X. If Gloria Owusu aya abena me hu bondi aka aya airbag is 39 years. How old is Lawyer Nkutajine, who said Agyapong needs injection before he can sit in parliament in cabinet meetings? Find XXXXX. Dabi. Share. Mr. P, Mr. S, pull this thing for me quick before I end this. Pull it for me. Pull up. Go. Fire check there. Boom. DJ don't kunyo. Abenwaha. Ayamodana. Missy the pa. Me ko see anasa me ko sa Rockstone koso. Yeah, nesa sa. Yeah, nesa. A bosso esiso. And you need the tea pokoso. The Lord Kenya nio. Hey, move for me. Me make say. Hey. Mamina the 39 years. Lawyer Nkutajine decide. Mr. P, team, pull it for me quick. Be team no crab bread to pull it. I want to know this boy's age. Team, no, I need external assistance. Team. Teenage pregnancy abem. Team, we need, should I call in the reinforcement and our team? Should I call reinforcement? I trouble the same crass. Tantra here on more eye and your crass or more crum. Now, me person one more to abano. Team, should I call reinforcement for the age of Lawyer Nkutajine? Because we have crossed 3 hours 14 minutes. I want team, should I call reinforcement? I know you guys are pulling. We need external team come in. External team come in. We need reinforcement. For more. Near reinforcement. For more. Team, I beg you. I'm struggling here because you see my team. They are trying to get. You see, you can see here. Yeah, you can see my team. That's the ghost team. They are trying to pull. You saw they brought me the last. I'm waiting for the team to bring me. Team. He did this. The boy did his internship in 2019. We are trying to pull the exact age. So the boy did his in 2019. He undertook an internship at Kulendi at law. First-hand experience in legal practice, including court proceedings, legal research, and drafting pleadings. His commitment to So blah 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 blah. July 22. Something is wrong. And drafting, his commitment to public service became evident during the national service at the Ministry of Aviation, July 2020 to 2021. That's just 1 year, where he assisted the deputy minister with administrative duties, research and policy coordination. So if he did his internship in 2019, let us try and get his exact age. We need to pull that external. I need external support. Team, can I call in reinforcement? I'm seeing reinforcement here. Yes, his picture on Facebook, almost 90% is abroad. Okay. We are trying to pull his father, and then we will be able to get you the exact location and place that it happened. External is coming in. External, I need you. External, pull it. I need the external team to come in. Yes. We are trying to, because I don't know, add it up. I'm at 39. And boy, and see an internship 2000 and team. No, tonight you guys need to pull. Or an internship 2019. Obi said the woman is not 39, she's lying. No, we will get to the bottom of this. So national service basically is around 21, 23 years, right? That is national service. By 21 to 23 years, you do your national service. And he said, or an internship around that time, we can pull it, we can do that rough math here. And I think we will get somewhere. Because Mamini used to football age, and Akuran used to tie ball age. Unim tie ball felele. Nebani used to felele age, and Mami used to football age. Felele is different from football because felele no in Freman Kwani womb, and then I would to tube na boom pa your friend felele. Unim felele, unim tie ball, unim my mind ball, any friend tie ball no. And I wouldn't a football ankasa. Mamini used to idea me suspect Mamini used to a mind ball, tie ball. Age, and the banu used to felele age. The banu used to felele. There you go. Egophobia do pa. Team, I need external. External come in. On say ghost team no me external ghost team he's 25 years. So 39 minus 25. Saying no, this is not coming from my team. I'm saying 39 minus 25. Mwanga samu fa age nimbra. 39 minus 25. 39 minus 25. 39 minus 25. That means I'm going to be 14. That be one per age. If the guy is 25, he's 25 team. 25. If he's 25 now, and I'm made 39 now. 39 minus 25, no. Mwanga some phone number nembra. 39 minus 25 is saying 39 minus 25 saying 14. And 14 years. Now I say my man no 14 years. Teenage pregnancy abim. Come on, mo gig him. Hey. So right now, you who say the age between 14 and 15 years no way. Papa Ben and Akora we a was Akorano. Doves to for papa no. And no in Koma bedin or China Friday. Was it Canada Japan about them? Was it Canada Oya Panya when it's him? O mame, Odi 14 or wo. Papa Crona or then the Bema Kosha o mame to me a wo no. O mame no ya abna ubo dear elmantim. I am sure Sanya Papa Ojinichoro. I am sure Sanya Kwaro Ojinichoro papa. I'm hoping. Say, oh mami, at the age of 14. That means say, papa na o mami no repeat o mami. Teenage pregnancy abem. I am hoping say, and your papa de jina wichino. Ozi kene Japan abodam. Yambo kene Japan trimu panye and sana cabinet. Yet ya no problem. Me ochina yado papa picture beba. Ne abeye sa mat na show papa su age. Ni a hwe mfia papa edi. Ni a hwe time o papa enye mo maame ni mfia no wedi. Ene mfia wo wedi ntisi ani atete afim so papa onko jail. Na wan kasa say age papa na de ka kire ya. Wo ne wo maame. So we are going to be back. Yeah, the sanko for we start be brew. Where politics na ye no. And you know, get the Japan border, you uncle body trimpania. Now, and the Joma Waga, yeah, personal. We might have very personal. Modia Munim, eh? Ochina, ye jinem, yaba, and the story be by oh. And I mean, na crow story by Kubu, and I can be some the pong. Oh, what's the adopt to? Here, oh, but adopt. I got in the bad adopt to. Oh, my go near you and the or to adopt to. Now, my pong, upon story where story and can be some can want some crabby. The guy is 30 years and that's my who would deny. We see as maybe see hello or china. Yet in the Ghana card beba. Kosibo training yet in the Ghana card beba. Near the name so Ghana card about Mrs. Do you have something for me? All right, team need to be Breme. My team just gave me something. He's 29 years. Thank you very much. Thank you. We are going back to the story. Agyapong. So my team, they finally found the answer. We got the answer right now. Thank you very much, Mr. S. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you for pulling the pull out. Right now, no, we've gotten the answer to your question. No, we have been able to find the X we are looking for. Now, let me put the X on the screen. Now, you're maths, no. Now, if you are questions, say, BB Koswa Yentiasiana. So, this is the boy. The age, Ankasa, 39 years. Hey, sorry, 29 years. At just 29 years old, Lawrence Kwesibochi Jr. has carved a rare path in Ghana's legal and political sphere, blending a staggering 7 academic qualifications with hands on public service. But you're here 29. It didn't matter. None of my made it. Hey, Rad. Ghana pa ye GBO. Hey, maame no wo no. Akwa no sikere Japan abodam no. Hey, Rad nyame. Maame no ore how many? Ejesi ano omo hye benufu ase. Ono ne maame hye benufu ase. Ejina ese chechire ma. Ne maame di 39. And odi di 29. Ne maame wo na ne maame di 10. There you go. Say adopting a movie say oh now mame ebia bibinti na wa lock doduma wo say no from March na ye no o mame di 39 years and na wo so we di 29 years it na means say o mame wo no we di 10 hey mo di kwase se bo Ghana o MPP no asoma bodam omuso amagimi omunya no mabodam MPP no muso amagimi omunyini no mabodam esigigigigi omabodam just say no me bo ha sometimes ubusa ko say na nkofo mu nipa na so mu ngan mrs ade no how do you sorry about we have more stories here enti ebusa. On record, the woman is 39 years. She's a member of parliament. 39 minus 29. Mr. S, me pamcho. Modia mama mi hu 9 minus 9 is saying, and 3 minus 2 is saying. Mama mi hu no this saying. 39 minus 29 is saying. Ebia me ma bon, me ma sinjuma. Me kura esi ma bon dada. Into 39 minus 29. How many years? Na 10 years. 10 I already pay. Now say akoya won dede ayo ya won said dede ayo. I did not write these things so. I did not publish these things so. They went to publish these things. Ochina me de ma me Ghana card ba be kiremo. And I me de boy we so Ghana card ba be kiremo mo mienu. I will come and show you their Ghana card. Na ma kiremo mo Ghana card na ma afa ye busa mo question. Say what's the way the 29 and now my miss with the 39 mumienu time my me wo no we di sen message the maternity card about chiremo time I wo no card the maternity card the maternity card o chiremo ba be chiremo o si kere Japan abodam wo kere Japan abodam because Samira kwasi ampanyi we aka just ko di kere Japan tem wo small boy why one no sabuntu aka say kere Japan abodam yembo di tirimu panie anso matena cabinet. You are saying, oh, mammy, who no 10 years. Oh, mammy, way. Oh, mammy, way. Oh, airbag, way, who no 10 years. Okay. Thank you very much, team. Now, remember, maame no wo no at age 10 a maame no ekuta akwara at 9 months wonu so onyem 9 months ansa na yebe wo akwara ro ana mu refi mu won tie maame no di 39 ana akwara di 29 into calculate maame no wo akwara no wedi 10 ana maame no so onyem at the age of 9 because okari akwara no 1 year 9 months inti say ati 9 months free 10 years ma na say maame no owo onyem akwara no wedi 9 years 3 months months no yetoto mamo no yetoto wo maame no nyem akwa we no wedi 9 years 3 months and no de nyem akwa we because the 9th month no wo akwa we inti say calculate 10 years na enru inti papa no nyem maame no na maame no di 9 years 3 months and no this 9 months na so no eye den enyinsa akwa no and wo no inti maame ko no need 10 kai ochina de papa the picture beba ochina ye de papa the picture beba ye de eye papa na onye maame we at the age of 9 na onenam Ghana said ne ba eye Bawumia 8 bo mu nim de ba o inti say o ye calculation na ade no owo no at 9 years old time odi 9 years no wo akora we ochina Friday. Now Friday, and I'm Friday too much. I am a pepper Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Ochina Friday.
And now you're Friday. This is a better sweet marvelous sweet. Just say me who you mean? Dynamic what? Friday. And now you're Friday. This is a better sweet marvelous sweet. Just say me who you mean? Dynamic what? Friday.
In Agyapong. Ochina sa mukui we also MP no this mukui. Yes, the younger sister di 45. Yes, yet kroma. MP no. Maame no di 39 no younger sister di 45. Yet kroma. Ochina. Mo pe busunya sam. Mo se Kennedy abodam. Me madam for Kennedy. Me nipa me na kontokwa me abe namfo. Kennedy abodam. Obi any Ghana about right so because Kennedy abodam apart from me echo. Nobody has the right. Why because Kennedy abodam no kontokwa. I mean, I want that right to say that. Kennedy Krame can't end it. Into being Ghana, what the right to say the Kennedy about them, we MPP, I am the only person who has the right to make that statement. Into what small boy, Mami di 9 or woo, Mami, the younger sister di 45 and also di 39. Obieni Ghana, Obetume Biena no Eddie Kennedy Japan attempt. I am the only person. Kennedy Minkwanam kana Asama Enya Hano. Into sa Ubia no Katia Kennedy, I'll come after you. I will come after you.
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words. The 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words. The 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.